So when we look at algebraic fractions, if there's no equal sign, we have to be a little bit more careful. What we want to do is look for the lowest common denominator between all the fractions. So in this case, the lowest common denominator, or the lowest common multiple of the two numbers underneath the lines in the fractions, which is 2 and 5, our lowest common multiple would be 10. So we want to make both of these fractions have a denominator of 10. To do that, we'd have to multiply this fraction by 5. 2 by 5 would give us 10. So we'd also have to do that to the top of the fraction. So that fraction becomes 5x over 10. The same on the right hand side, 5 multiplied by 2 would give us 10. So we'd have to multiply the top of the fraction by 2 as well. So you end up with 5x over 10 plus 2x over 10. And when you add them together, you get 7x over 10. And that's your answer there. If we look at question 7 next, we have to do the same thing. We want to get a lowest common denominator between 5 and 3. So our lowest common denominator here, or the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3 would be 15. Five multiplied by 3 would give us 15. So we have to multiply the top by 3 as well. And 3 by 5 would give us 15, which means we'd have to multiply the top by 5 as well. If there's only two fractions, you can do what we call cross multiply and just swap the two numbers there. It doesn't work if there's more than two fractions, but for these few questions it will work. So we then need to multiply out our brackets, 3 by 4a and 3 by 1, 5 by 3a and 5 by minus 1. So 3 by 4a is 12a and 3 by 1 is 3. 5 by 3a is 15a and 5 by minus 1 is minus 5. We then want to get any a's together, or any like terms together. We do have to pay attention to this middle sign here. If it's a plus, we can just add as usual. If it's a minus, we have to be a little bit more careful. And we also then can get the numbers together as well. So adding the green together, 12a and 15a is 27a, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2, and it's still all divided by 15 or over 15.